Hey guys, it's me Camilla, and today me and my sister are going to be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge. We both are going to ask questions, and we're going to say I have or never. So let's get started with the video. So the first question is, never have I ever told on the teacher something that somebody did, but you actually didn't.
Huh?
So what I mean is that you did something that you weren't supposed to, but you lied and you told your teacher that was somebody else. I've never. She has.
I'm 18, so I have.
So
This is gonna come out backwards.
So what did you do?
That's not part of the game. Never have I ever farted in class.
Never. Have you?
I just said I have. Can you not read?
Yes, I can. So it's my turn. Never have I ever went to a party, but you weren't invited. I'm a kid, so never. Oh wait, actually I have.
When? Camila, you're only 8.
You never invited me.
Oh, that's right.
What I would do, I would just sneak in the basement and I'd be like, hi you guys! And then so would be like, get out! And it
Like any other little sister and big sister relationship.
yeah.
Hey, I'm thinking. Never have I ever dropped something in the toilet and had to get it out.
I have.
What the heck? What have you had?
Oh my god. Well, when I was using the toilet, I was getting up and like a napkin roll fell in the toilet.
What the heck?
Yeah, and I tried to get it out, but like I haven't flushed the toilet yet.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did, I left it there, and then I went to school, and my mom was like, "What happened?"
Your mom. We have the same mom.
Of course, I said. Never mind.
Okay.
So yeah. So never have I ever accidentally dropped something, but then blamed it on our siblings. I'm thinking. Never. So now it's going to be my sister's turn.
I said let me finish
So
chewing
she
my
has
eye.
it. So she has it.
Oh, I forgot it.
Wow.
Never have I ever gotten in trouble for something I didn't do.
Thinking. You have?
Yeah.
You have to tell your story.
No.
Wow. Okay. Never have I ever accidentally hurt one of my siblings and then hurt them back or any family members.
Many times.
Of course. Who is it?
You.
Of course. You.
Of course. Never have I ever cried over food. You never cried over food.
Yes. Remember in the DMV?
That's because you were there for a long time.
And I cried.
No, but I mean like if you, like if someone were to show you food And then, oh no. Like if you were to forget your money at home and you wanted to buy something because you were, I don't know, forget it.
Nope. That means never.
Okay.
Okay. So, never have I ever tried to be like a boy but you failed.
As a tomboy, does that count?
But you failed?
No, I succeeded. Never mind.
Oh.
Mom, you're in our video.
Never.
Can you pause it? Okay, well, we're having some technical difficulties.
Wow.
Okay, can we turn this into a dare challenge? Real quick.
Okay.
I dare you to taste this peanut real quick.
No.
Please?
Okay. How much you said? A little.
Just like a little bit.
Ew. And so. Pause the video. Okay, my dare is to go to the garbage can and eat something from there.
I'm not doing that.
Fine. Then you have to sniff the garbage can.
I'm not doing that.
To there?
No.
Fine. I dare you to eat a lemon.
Okay.
Okay.
A lemon or a lime?
A lemon.
Can I do a lime?
No!
Fine.
Are limes more sweeter?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get your
What the
reaction.